Hey friends, if you wish to change the language of widgets in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So it is ideally not supposed to be different from the display language of your computer, but there's a catch. Let me explain the procedure first. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and languages tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane. Now, we have multiple variants of English, but you will be noticing that all variants do not have the same thing. Like some don't have the language pack, some don't have text to speech, some don't have basic typing. So here's my suggestion. If you are using English because you are hearing it in English, means you must be using English as your language, simply select English United States as the main language here. Okay, let's say I had moved it down. Simply click on this and select move up and keep on moving it up till it is a top language. Okay, and make sure that the Windows display language is also English United States. This is what is required to keep the language of the widgets as English US, and if you want to change it to something else, make sure that it has the option for display language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.